Okay, fine. Now we are okay with South Africa. Let's now tackle Zimbabwe. Let us now tackle whatever, because it can be done. It can be done. All we have to do is to change the mindset, how people think. Start feeding yourself. You must be ashamed to say that I'm a black South African, a majority, one of the majority people in South Africa, but I'm worse off economically. It's a shame. I must say, the latest as they confirm that in terms of inequality, it's affecting us the most. Why? Because I'm EFF, I am ANC, I'm Nkata. That is history. It's past. It's not needed into the future.
Important that you just said. You say in 1994 that was the time that we should have done away with all these political parties and divisions. That did not happen. But what happened was that we said, okay, let's forgive the white men, the one who brutalized.